My name is Obona Julius Chukudi from the Department of Animal Science, 411, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm in the previous section for my IT. I've gathered a lot of experience ranging from the cattle, the poultry, the snail, the sheep and goat. And of a very good interest, I'm very delighted in going into pig production because of the cost is minimal. And there are challenges you can also face from this particular pig production. Challenges like in other Western worlds, we can have something like biogas. The physics can be used to just change to become running machineries, but at least it's not yet. So we are beckoning on the government if they can intervene in any which way, so that they will bring foreign investors to help again to make this thing reach to the very height that it will grow, so that at the end of the day people will be interested to invest their money into it because it's a lucrative business. Here in Nsukka, we have there's hardly any week that passes without much distribution of pigs. So if these things can come into Nsukka, since that in production you have to consider the location. In this location we are in Nsukka is a very wonderful business to go into. Thank you.